Welcome back. Now it's gonna get exciting because we're going to create our first recipe. And I'm only going to start out with the very first step, and then we will move over to step 2 and step 3. But I think it is long enough to just talk about the first step. So just to start out, we have already essential oils and carrier oils in this tool right now, and they are pre-populated with Blend Precisely. And the prices are actually sourced from different retail prices, such as Aromatics, Oshadi, Floriana. And the reason is because one retail company didn't have all of the prices always available, so I did need to put them together from different retailers. But this is really to give you an idea. If you don't have anything entered right now, you are able to upload your own prices and supplies and work obviously with your prices. That's what it's all about. But right now, to just give it a good start, you can use our pre-populated Blend Precisely prices and ingredients. So I would say let's create today a little bit of a calming blend for a child, maybe like a rollerball bottle, and we're going just to add or start adding the ingredients. My base is going to be a carrier oil. Now you do have the option to choose from the drop-down menu here, and there are some of the carrier oils already pre-populated. And you are also able, and I will do this in a second for the essential oils because we have many more, to use the hamburger here on the side, but I will show you that in a second. So let's choose as a base the sweet almond oil, and my rollerball bottles are 10 milliliters, and here you have the measurements all as a drop down, so I'm gonna choose milliliters. And you will see it's here in euro, €1.49, but we are able to change this up here to the right in US dollars as well. So I will go a little bit back and forth. And now I'm going to add my essential oils. And for that, I'm going to use this hamburger. And a window opens up. And here you will have all the oils available. We have over 150 oils in here, and they're all in here with prices, Latin name, the unit size, and the supplier's name. So when you start adding your own ingredients, you will have probably a different supplier pop up here. And then obviously which category they're in. And then the currency is available here too. But this is just, in the back end, we are converting everything for you into the currency you're choosing. So you don't need to worry if you buy ever something in Great Britain pounds or euros, we will all convert it to the currency you choose. So this is all magic happening in the back end. So let's start out. I'm going to use, obviously, lavender. And I'm going to search by lavender here. You can click here or also just hit enter, and then we have quite a few different lavenders available, and I'm just going to go with a very simple straightforward lavender angustifolia, and I'm gonna go ahead and click OK, and then I keep on entering, and you can do it however you want, but I keep on entering the essential oils I would like to add. Roman chamomile, and then I'm also gonna add mandarin today. And let's do green mandarin. And now I'm going to add the drops. So I'm gonna add 4 drops of lavender. And then I would maybe add 1 drop of chamomile, Roman chamomile, and 1 drop of mandarin. And immediately you will see how much the blend will cost in detail, meaning every single ingredient is 15 cents, 32 cents for Roman chamomile because it's a more expensive oil, and then green mandarin is not that expensive. And if you were, for example, let's say you would be adding lemon and you say, you know what, I don't want green mandarin, let me just change that. You can go over here to the little minus sign and it will take green mandarin out, search for lemon, and then you can choose lemon. And then you see here the little red icon coming up. And I do know that lemon is phototoxic, and if I go above 2% in this blend, it will be phototoxic. So I will demonstrate this just for you. Let's say we're going to put in 10 drops of lemon. First of all, the ratio at this point is, the dilution ratio is at 5.49%. That might be a little bit high for a young child, so we will adjust that in a moment. But if you go down to the blend percentage, you can see under show ingredients if your blend is phototoxic. And yes, it is, because it is at 3.47%. And if you remember, lemon should only be at 2%. So in this case, we want to dramatically go down in our drops, first of all. And then we are at 3.3%, and then we do want to consider, yes, so we are below 2%, so that's good. We can use it also during the day. And then we do want to consider, do we really actually need that much? Is that appropriate for a child of maybe 5 or 6, or is this more of a blend for a 10-year-old, and so on. So here we can make a lot of decisions, change around our drop numbers and adjust as we go. Once you feel comfortable, we can move over to the container parts, but that's going to be in the next video. So that's it for now, and I will show you also in another video how to add your own ingredients. Talk to you soon.